come with me and we're going to make an autumn design in Canva. We'll do this autumn desktop wallpaper. So when I'm coming in here, I definitely want to pick out something at least with the font that I like. Really like this one. So I'm going to get rid of the background actually. I'm going to leave Hello Autumn. I'm going to go into elements and I'm going to search fall elements. I'm going to look into photos and see if there's anything that I can use. Really like this pumpkin one. So I'm going to make that the size of the screen because I'm actually going to set it as the background. And so now I still have this Hello Autumn here. And then we can see if there's any kind of leaves. Let's see if these look good. When you add them here, just go to the background remover. And then you'll be actually left with only the leaves. And I don't know. I might just want to add some. And then Hello Autumn, and you can change this. You can play around with some of the effects of it. Some shade, some blur, some transparency. I definitely want to get that up. If you wanted to outline it and change the color, you could. I don't really like it for this one. So there you go. You can just play around. You can make certain images your backgrounds. If you wanted to change the font, you can do that. Ooh, don't like that. Halloween, of course you would want to make that much smaller. Hello, Autumn. And you can make it smaller and put it where you want on the page. If you're worried about things overlapping, you can just take these and layer it, and you can just send it backwards so that your words are over it. And there you go. Hello, Autumn.